Earn more than $7,000 in BTC playing games. Yes, you heard it right. It is a question we rarely dare to ask. Is it possible to earn something simply by playing games? Well, the answer is yes, at least in the world of Bitcoins. Here you have a number of sites that will actually pay you to play their games. Here are the highest paying Bitcoin games that pay. It might sound too good to be true, but it really is the truth. And the games are becoming more and more popular, at least with cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This is why we have made you a list of some of the free and highest paying Bitcoin games out there, from casino Bitcoin games to mining games and the classic arcade games, flash games, trading games, and mobile games. Before we dive into the list, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. BitCasino.io, one of the most complete Bitcoin casinos out there. From the official website of the BitCasino.io, you'll see many games you can choose from to try to earn Bitcoin for free simply by playing games. From slot machines, a great classic, to baccarat, blackjack, roulette, video poker, and plenty of live games. The choice is really wide, like if you were in a real Vegas casino. Subscription at BitCasino.io is free from the official website. Lucky Dice. Lucky Dice is a free game to win Bitcoin. It's a game anyone can play. Just register for free at the official website. Make your first deposit and start playing to try to win as many Satoshis as you can. The deposit can be made in Bitcoin, which you can buy from Coinbase's official website to get $10 for free. Once you're ready to play, simply decide to play under or over. You'll be shown winning odds and click on Roll to roll your lucky dice. If you're looking for a game to start playing for free, then sign up to Free Bitcoin official site or Rollercoin official site to mine Bitcoin for free, or MBit Casino official website if you're looking for one of the best online casinos or cryptocurrencies. Fortune Jack. Fortune Jack is one of the most famous websites to play using Bitcoins. Other than being a crypto casino, Fortune Jack is much more. You can play dice, do probably fair, and make bettings. All of this using Bitcoins. Plus, you can receive up to 5 BTC free as a welcome bonus and 25 free spins. Crypto Games. Promoted as the best probably fair cryptocurrency gambling website, Crypto Games is this and much more. Once landed on the official website, you can have a wide choice of Bitcoin and altcoins games to have fun with, and of course to try winning some cryptos. 8 different games in total for any flavor: dice, slot, blackjack, roulette, video poker, plinko, minesweeper, and Loto. 10 different cryptocurrencies accepted as means of payment: Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Doge, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Cash, Dash, NEO, Stratis. Some numbers: players all around the world did more than $2 billion played in Bitcoin games, and more $250 million games bet with BTC or Bitcoin Cash. Spin games to earn Bitcoins. Free Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin is a simple yet ingenious game that allows you to win up to $200 in BTC every 60 minutes, spins, and tries to make 10,000. Even if you're not so lucky, you win at every spin. If you love the risk, you can also try to double up your winnings playing at the high-low. Mining games. Mining games are designed to give the user a minimum amount of hash rates with the possibility of increasing it by performing small tasks or buying upgrades. These are often games that require a minimum of daily effort. Rollercoin. Rollercoin is a free mining game. You can log in by registering or via Facebook, and you can start undermining Bitcoins right away. Within the game, there are some mini games that you can do to increase your hash power. Rollercoin is a nice game, well thought out, with retro graphics but very fascinating. Visit the Rollercoin official website. Flash games to earn Bitcoins. Tremor games. Flash games are fun, but wouldn't you say they would be even more so if they could earn you some money? Tremor Games is a site that allows you to do exactly that. It is much like an online arcade site, with the only difference being the fact that it pays in Bitcoins. When you have earned enough units, you become qualified for withdrawals. Flash Clamber. Another great site for earning Bitcoin by playing flash games is Cash Clamber. It is also very interesting since it allows you to create your own games and even play them with your friends. Depending on your success, you get rewarded with Bitcoins, which you can eventually start withdrawing from your account. Sarutobi. When you get bored with the previous games, try Sarutobi, a game featuring a flying monkey. Your task is to collect coins that appear on your screen, and you do it with the help of Sarutobi. Game Faucet. At Game Faucet, you get access to 3 individual games, each of which earns you Bitcoins as you progress. Pirate's Adventure is quite fun, Going Nuts is more intense, and Bubble Shooter is a game that appeals to almost all tastes. Trading games to earn Bitcoins. Spark Profit. If you are more into the world of finance than you are into games as such, you will be thrilled to hear about Spark Profit. Spark Profit is simulation made specifically for the purposes of having fun with currencies without actually having to spend money. It is the ideal place for you if you want to try out your luck with Bitcoins. Mobile games to earn Bitcoins. Takara. And the most convenient of them all is certainly mobile games with which you can earn your share of Bitcoins. There are so many of them, it is actually quite difficult to choose the best, but Takara for iOS devices is one of the most highly rated. It is a game that shows you where its Bitcoins are hidden, but only after you have come close to them. Mind you, it is a game based on Pokemon Go, which means you actually need to move in order to find your Bitcoins. Bitcoin Scratcher. Bitcoin Scratcher is a fun game that allows you to earn Bitcoins while playing it. But what exactly do you need to do? Just like with regular scratch cards, you scratch the Bitcoin card to see whether yours is the winning one. If it is, you get Satoshis that you can exchange for free Bitcoins. It really is as simple as that. And if you don't like this one, simply check out Bitcoin Wonder Machine. Bitcoin Wonder Machine is another app for free and simple Bitcoin earning. The only thing you need to do is install and use it, and with just a bit of luck, you will soon start accumulating your Bitcoins. It is connected with a Zappo wallet and played like a vending machine. It is not only fun and colorful, but also makes it worth your time. Bitcoin Honey. Bitcoin Honey is dynamic, but an extremely easy game where you can win loads of Bitcoins simply by participating. Your only task is to choose among different faces, and if you manage to pick the right one, you could end up with up to 1,000 Bitcoins in your wallet. And if you want something even more exciting, check out the following game, Wheel of Bitcoins. Wheel of Bitcoins is exactly what the name suggests, a game in which you spin the wheel to earn your free Bitcoins. The process is very simple. You enter the email address linked with your Bitcoin wallet and try your luck spinning the wheel. You can play it every 30 minutes, which allows for a lot of possible winnings. But there is also Bitcoin Bingo. Bitcoin Bingo. For all the bingo fans out there, this might be the perfect game for earning Bitcoins on your phone. The game is an actual bingo game, the only difference being that the reward system is based on Bitcoins. Just imagine how much fun you could have, all the while making a profit and not losing a dime. But if you prefer slots, you might want to consider Bitcoin Slots. Slots are among the most popular casino games, but you don't need to risk losing money with this one. Bitcoin Slots is a safe way to get your hands on Bitcoins completely free of charge. And to make it even better, it allows you to multiply your winnings up to 4 times. What do you think of the video? Let us know in the comments section down below with all that said and done. That's our video for the day, folks, and I will see you all next time later, everybody. Thank you for watching.